Good morning, class 6. In this class, we will do exercises of chapter 4, that is materials of daily use. So class 6, open page number 49 in your science book and keep a pencil with you to complete exercises. So students, you have to complete these exercises in your book, not in your science copy. Is that clear? So here we can see the C part. C1, state whether is following statement are true or false. So we can write T for true and F for false. So number 1, cotton is obtained from sheep. So this statement is false because cotton is obtained from cotton plant. Now the second, fibers are twisted together to form yarn. So it is true. Now the third, cotton yarn is pressed tightly and tied up into bales. So it is true. Now the fourth, jute grows best in warm and humid weather. Fourth, fibers are separated from the seeds by combing. So it is false because fibers are separated from the seeds by ginning. Now the fifth, jute grows best in warm and humid weather. So it is true. Now the sixth, charkha is used for weaving. True statement. Now seventh, a piece of fabric is made by weaving of yarn. It is also true. Now the eighth and the last, silk is a natural fiber as it is obtained from the stem of a plant. So half portion of 8 is true, that silk is a natural fiber, but silk is obtained from the silkworm. It is not obtained from stem of a plant. So here we have to write false for the sixth statement. Now class, you have completed C1. Now turn the page. Come on page number 50. Here you have to do match the two columns, that is C3. Just a minute. So here we can see column A and column B, and we have to match column A to column B. So first, cotton is a cotton can be matched from balls. Now the jute is a cheapest plant fiber. So here we can match. Now silk. Silk is an animal fiber. Now separating of cotton fibers from seeds. So it is the process of ginning. We all know. Now spinning. Spinning is related to charkha. So we can match spinning with charkha. Handlooms. Handlooms are related to weaving. Just a minute, class. Now class 6, we can see again page number 50, and here we have to do C3 exercise. So here we can match cotton with balls, jute with cheapest plant fiber, silk with animal fibers. Separating of cotton fibers from seeds is the process of ginning. And spinning is related to the charkha. And handlooms is related to weaving. So for cotton, balls, for jute, cheapest plant fiber, for silk, animal fibers. Separating of cotton fibers from seed is ginning. Fifth, spinning, charkha, and handlooms for weaving. Is that clear? Now you can see fourth, multiple choice questions. Choose the correct answer for each of the following. Here we have to choose a correct option. So for one, polyester is synthetic fiber, C. Second, yarns are made of fibers, B. Third, which of the following is or are natural fibers? So flax and silk both are natural fibers. So here we can tick on D. Which of the following, fourth, which of the following was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi as a part of the Indian independence movement? So for it, B. For 4, charkha should be the right answer. Fifth, cotton grows best in C. Black soil. 6, jute grows best in warm and humid weather. So for the C4, C for 1, B for 2, D for 3, 4, B for 4, C for 5 and C for 6. Is that clear, students? In the next class we will do fill in the blanks and question answers. So thank you class.